Ipo one step. I take one step at a time. Ipo jutsu. Susumimasu. Jiko Seichu. Self-growth. I focus on self-growth. Jiko Seichu ni Shuuchu Ushimasu. Kano Usei potential. I believe in my potential. Jibun no Kano Usei Shinjite Masu. Keizoku Suru, continue. I will continue improving. Kaizen o Tsuzuke Masu. Kansha gratitude. I am grateful for my journey. Tabi ni Kansha Shitei Masu. Shinrai trust. I build trust through action. Koudo ude Shinrai o Kizuki Masu. Kibo u hope. I have hope for the future. Mirai ni Kibo uga arimasu. Jiritsu independence. I value independence. Jiritsu o Taisetsu ni Shimasu. Kakugo resolve. I am ready for the next chapter. Tsugi no sho o ni kakugo ga dekite masu. Jinsen life. This is my life story. Kore ga watashi no jinsei monogatari desu. Jinsen life. Jinsei life. My life changed a lot. Watashi no jinsei wa takusan kawarimashita. Kako past. I learned from my past. Watashi wa kako kara manabimashita. Keiken experience. My experiences taught me many lessons. Keiken ga watashi ni takusan no koto o oshimashita. Konan difficulty. I faced many difficulties. Watashi wa takusan no konan ni aimashita. Mondai problem. I solved many problems. Watashi wa takusan no mondai o kaiketsu shimashita. Doryoko effort. I always made an effort. Watashi wa itsumo doryoko shimashita. Tsuzukeru to continue. I continued learning. Manabu koto o Tsuzuke mashita. Seichu growth. I experienced personal growth. Watashi wa seichu o keiken shimashita. Tsuyo strong. I became stronger. Watashi wa tsuyoku narimashita. Shinjiro to believe. I believe in myself. Watashi wa jibun o shinjimashita.